Soil looks good, plenty of moisture down deep.
Yeah, the leaves are healthy too. We should be ready by Thursday.
The new generation of harvesting machinery processes the crop with unprecedented speed, ensuring the potatoes are moved gently from the rich soil to the conveyor system.
Slow it down, it's almost full.
Woo! Woo! This one is ready to tie. Okay, move it to the row.
The red truck carries its precious cargo of potatoes from the farm, now merging onto the main highway for the journey to the processing facility. After a long journey from the fields, the potatoes arrive at the first stage of processing, the security gate.
Manifest, please. Here it is. Okay, you're all set. Proceed to receiving. All right, keep it coming back slow. Easy now, just a little further. And stop. Perfect. Untie this knot right here. Got it. Looks good down there. Controls are set.
High-speed air jets blast the excess surface water away, ensuring the perfect crispness later on. This controlled airflow is crucial.
State-of-the-art optical sensors scan every chip for consistent color and seasoning coverage before moving to packaging.
The fully wrapped pallet of Taste potato chips is carefully transported through the finished goods warehouse toward the shipping dock, where a delivery truck awaits.
Easy now, bring it down slow. All right, clear.
Pallet 34B secured. Moving to lane 4. Copy that.
Bringing it down now. Did you find everything okay?
That will be $12.50.
Yes, I did. Thank you. I'll use debit.